Don't do this to yourself. Because if you go in like you're scrubbing that cemented floor from the 80s, don't act surprised when takedown day comes and your hair and your hairline says, "I no do again." Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through my full wash day routine with my protective style styling. Yes, it can absolutely keep your braids, twists and cornrows clean, fresh and healthy without taking them down. I will show you step by step how I cleanse my scalp, keep my hair moisturized and maintain the style so it lasts and my hair thrives underneath. Please watch this video to the end. Each step is explained clearly to help you avoid excess breakage while you wash your hair properly. I'm currently on 3 months protective style challenge, so let's get started. We're starting off with some lukewarm water, nothing too hot. We are talking about your scalp here, not chicken feathers, especially if you have low porosity hair. Just warm enough to loosen the build-up and prep the scalp for proper cleanse. This routine is all about balance, clean scalp, neat braids and soft hands. Are you a bricklayer or a boxer? I'm emphasizing on soft hands, sis. We are treating our hair like the crown it is. Next, I'm going in with my shampoo, and yes, it's almost finished, so I did the responsible thing. I added small water to stretch it, just enough to complete today's mission. Let's be honest, I know I'm not the only one on this table. Sometimes you and your shampoo just have to manage each other with understanding, and honestly, it still gets the job done. After the first shampoo, I noticed the lather is minimal. I'm going to rinse the shampoo off completely, and we go in again for proper cleansing. I'm applying the shampoo straight to my scalp, working it in gently, section by section. No matter how hard life is outside, don't bring the aggression here if you truly know what you want for your hair. You see the way I'm washing my hair gently? If you do bricklayer job from Monday to Friday, just remember your scalp isn't construction site. Don't do this to yourself. Because if you go in like you're scrubbing that cemented floor from the 80s, don't act surprised when takedown day comes and your hair and your hairline says, "I no do again." Now, my scalp and my braids are thoroughly cleansed. I'm going to move to the next step, which is my tea rinse and deep conditioning. But guys, for some reason, my phone stopped recording and I was busy entertaining the bathroom, rinsing and conditioning my hair. Long story short, the part where I used my tea rinse and deep conditioner was not captured. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Just check out the video linked to my end screen to see exactly how I apply my tea rinse. I just had to redo a bit of this deep conditioning part. I always bring out time to deep condition my hair after cleansing because it helps restore moisture, strength and elasticity. Shampooing can strip the hair a bit. So deep conditioning is that extra care that brings softness back and helps prevent breakage. Shay, you've learned that one today. You are welcome. If you find this video very helpful and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your thoughts and share this video across to someone that might need it. After my deep conditioning ritual, I wrap it up with my shower cap, then top it off with my bonnet, but not just any bonnet though. This one has a plastic bag stitched inside. Honestly, it's giving local steamer. It traps heat so well. Sometimes I wonder if it has small juju in it. I left it in for about 20 minutes and taking it off, my hair is soft, juicy, rejuvenated and fully marinated. It's giving overripe plantain. I will go ahead and rinse it out with the remaining lukewarm water, then thoroughly rinse it using cool water. This helps to seal the hair cuticle, promoting shine and reducing frizz. I will ensure that all the product is washed out, my hair feeling soft, hydrated and ready for the next step in my routine, which is moisturizing and oiling my scalp. So now, I'll just proceed to moisturize my hair. This way, your hair will stay moisturized for a long time before it gets thirsty again. I start by applying a generous amount of leave-in conditioner, ensuring that each section is thoroughly coated. This step helps to replenish moisture and keep my hair soft and manageable. Next, I apply a small amount of my hair mayonnaise, focusing on the mid-length and ends. This provides additional nourishment and helps to strengthen my hair. Hair serum is that final touch that just knows how to mind its business and do its job. It smooths the hair, adds shine like we're about to shoot a hair ad, and tames frizz. Literally. Hair serum does wonders. It also helps protect your strands from heat, weather, and general outside wahala. To seal in all the moisture, I'm reaching for the last of my infused oil, a potent blend of moringa, green tea, rosemary, flaxseed, black seed, cloves, all in my sweet almond oil, lightweight oil, best for my low porosity hair. This oil nourishes my strands and my scalp alike. If you're curious about how I process this powerhouse oil, check out for the link above for a step-by-step guide. Using this oil, I smooth it through the length of my hair, then ensuring every strand is coated and sealed. I apply it generously to my scalp, massaging it in to stimulate circulation and promote growth. And that wraps up my wash day routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more hair care tips. Don't forget to check out the link above to see how I made this infused potent oil, and then the link here to see how I incorporate green tea rinse in my wash day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Ciao!